If you think that selling digital products is hard, you're wrong, and we're gonna prove it to you. So we're gonna pick a random niche from this cowboy hat, and whatever the niche is, we're going to build a storefront in 5 minutes and see if you can do it better.
And we're gonna race and I'm gonna beat Lo.
All right, here we go. Let's do it. Okay, you pick first.
All right, let's see what I get. Please be a good one.
And I'll pick first.
Flexibility coach.
Ooh, okay. And
Flexibility
I have
coach.
Remy the rat.
What? What is that?
From Ratatouille.
Oh, no, you can do like recipe books and everything. That's sick.
Thanks for the hint.
Wait, I'm still gonna beat you. It's fine.
Okay, ready?
All right.
And
Wait,
timer.
start the timer.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna race.
Let's
5 minute
do it.
timer.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna smoke you.
All
See
right,
ya.
let's go.
All right, I am a health and wellness coach.
I'm in the other niche.
All right, I'm gonna add a profile picture. Oh shoot, I need a profile picture.
I'm gonna look for a rat.
I think we have to get judged not only on the store and how much it's gonna make money, but also how beautiful it is too.
Really? Okay, yeah, we'll get
Yeah.
points in like multiple different categories.
Right. Mine is incredible already. Oh my gosh, my profile picture is amazing.
I'm getting Remy the rat, because you didn't know who that was. I'm honestly like kind of offended.
No, I thought of the Ninja Turtle guy at first. I'm already creating my first product. Actually,
Wait, my laptop isn't working right now.
Oh yeah, dude, my laptop.
No, it's literally not right now. Oh my gosh, what do I do? It's literally frozen. The X even.
356. All right, guys, mine looks sick though.
Oh my gosh, okay, it's back now. Yeah, of course I just have a laptop crash in the middle of it.
All right, I picked a new profile picture that shows this dude flexing super hard. I think it's really funny. And now I'm gonna start creating my first product, which is book a one-on-one stretching session with me. Virtual stretching session. I should charge a lot. I'm a hot commodity. I'm gonna set my calendar available. I'm only available on Fridays from 9 to 4. No, 9 to 11. I got clients.
Okay, there we go. So now, of course, because I'm back on it now, because I am Remy the rat, of course, I'm going to sell a digital download that is a recipe book.
Okay, well, you've got a minute.
No!
Right, y'all.
There
Well,
we go.
Lo figures this out. I'm going to
Okay.
sell my first digital download, which is a stretching routine. This is my routine I wake up to every day before I run 35 miles. Publish. Starting to look pretty good. John the Posture Coach. I'm going to add a little link to my affiliate link to my Amazon storefront where I show all my different posture gear.
Are you doing like the inside of it too, or just the call out?
I'm doing everything.
Oh,
I have the beautiful checkout pages and everything.
Wow, that's amazing.
I have fitness equipment with 25 seconds. Oh. 3 seconds? 2, let's go! All right, y'all. So let's look at both stores here. So let's
so
see your
funny.
store first. Your name is Ba? I do like your username.
Okay, yeah, because I made the username before I knew who I was. So the username was Goat, and then the name is Bah, because like that's what a goat would say, like, oh, what's your name? Bah, you know. So, anyways.
All right. So here's what I would say is the win. You got one digital product done, and the good news is like you could actually just go live with this if you wanted to offer a recipe book. Which Remy the Rat is such a great chef that I would still buy that recipe book.
Yeah, exactly. Like, as a chef in itself who already has like an audience, maybe having a recipe book, I think, is good enough to become a full-time chef already.
So here's a question: what else would Remy the Rat sell?
Yeah. So if I didn't struggle with the profile picture, what I also would have done is actually done a video course and do videos of a different recipe. So it could be like maybe like a 10 to 20 part series, and then in each video would be an actual video of Remy doing the entire recipe.
You also do virtual cooking classes.
Mm-hmm.
Because you can offer one-on-one coaching or group coaching, and this is basically just coaching in a different way. And so, yeah, you would just like be on Zoom on some dude's chair, like telling him what to do. It'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, and then also like having a live class, like you said, and then recording that and even selling that as a digital download as well.
I love it. All right.
All right. Let's see.
All right, look at my guy, John the
Flexibility.
So first I started with this really ugly, like, bad posture person, and I was like, it's a little creepy because I wanted to blow up a photo. I think my store looks way better than yours because I actually used one of the cool themes.
Yep, I didn't pick a theme yet. I should have done that.
So I offer 3 products. There are 3 different ways I make money. Number 1 is I offer a virtual stretching session, so we can help people get flexibility. if they want to book in person, they could if they live in my area.
Okay, awesome.
Which a lot of creators do.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we have a lot of chiropractors who still use Stan. So they can book a one-on-one call.
And I love that because if they have specific problems and then they can reach out to you directly, you can help them like actually, maybe not in person, but you can help them directly with their problems.
Totally. I love it. And so here I only mark Fridays as available because I'm super busy.
Mm-hmm.
You can book your time here super, super fast. Then on top of that, you can also, I wanted to do more passive income. So I set up a stretching routine. And so you can get that guide here. I would do maybe either a short little video. I'd maybe do like a 2 or 3 minute video here that I could upload. It's like all the different routines. Or maybe I want to whip out Canva, do a free, use Canva for free, do a guide with like photos of me stretching in every spot.
Yeah, and that's awesome because all you have to do is make it one time and then you just sell it for passive income. So.
But then the last thing is, a lot of people ask me for my fitness equipment probably. So I'm going to link out to my Amazon store with my Amazon affiliate links, and that's more passive income in a different way.
Yeah, that's awesome. So you guys can decide who won. But either way, I think this is really cool because even though I took 3 minutes to get my profile picture up, I was still able to put out a recipe book that I can instantly be making passive income, and that took me 5 minutes.
Yeah, well, it took you 2 minutes.
2 minutes actually for that.
2 minutes to start selling your first passive income product. So
exactly. So if you want to start selling digital products, I hope you see how easy it actually is. You can literally get started in 5 minutes.
And if you feel like you still need help figuring out what digital product you should sell or how to set up a Stan store, as part of your Stan subscription, you can actually work with any of us one-on-one directly, and we'll actually help you out. So
yeah, so go sign up for your free 2-week trial.
See ya.
Bye.